that lost their lives in Paris last Friday night. So what I want all of you guys to do is, instead of a minute of silence, we want to do a minute of noise for everybody that lost their lives last week in the true spirit of rock and fucking roll. Okay, did you understand what I said? 1 minute of noise. Okay, I'm gonna film you do it. We start right now. All right, this next song